video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem whereby you are not getting YouTube notifications for the channels that you have actually subscribed to. So the channel uploads a video and is supposed to get a notification, and in this such a scenario, the notifications are not being shown. So do the following. One, you're going to go to your phone settings and then scroll down and look for apps. Okay, and then you're going to search for YouTube. Okay, YouTube. So that's the YouTube application. You're going to tap the YouTube application. Now our goal is to make sure that we allow notifications. Okay, so tap the notification part right here. You can see the part it's not toggled on. You see, show notifications. So you have to do is turn this on. Okay, you can tap on allow sound and vibration, get that, then you see that, and make sure you tap this on as well. Make sure those ones are toggled on. Okay, and also when you make sure that when you open your YouTube application and you come to subscriptions, okay, let me get back. Yeah, just make sure that the particular channel make sure that you enable the notification bell, so that when the channel uploads a video, you get notified. Okay, that is how you fix the problem of the YouTube notifications not showing. Okay, just make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. See you next time.